Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that, exercise 3, question number 6. The question is given: a truck runs 8 kilometer. A truck runs 8 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. Okay, how much distance will it cover using 10 2/3 liters of petrol? So this is the given question. I am writing the data. What is the given data, Nana, in this? A truck covers a distance 8 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. Okay, na? 1 liter petrol. A truck covers a distance 8 kilometer using only 1 liter of petrol. Now, how much distance will it cover using 10 2/3 liters of petrol? Means the distance covered by a truck using 10 2/3 liters of petrol. Okay, now that is equals to what, Nana? That is simply nothing but multiplication. 10 2/3 into, that is nothing but 10 2/3 liters into, for using 1 liter of petrol, it covers how much distance? 8 kilometers. I am writing 8 kilometers. So 10 2/3 is a mixed fraction. I am going to convert this one into an improper fraction. So then we should multiply the whole number 10 with the denominator of a proper fraction. Means that is 10 into 3 or 3 into 10. Okay, 3 tens are 30. Then add the numerator 2. Okay, 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 2, that is 32 by 3 into 8 kilometer. So 32 into 8. 32 into 8 means what? 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. So that is 256 by 3 kilometer. So you just take the rough work. 256 by 3. 3 8s are 24. 25 minus 24, that is 1. Then carry down 6. 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15, that is 1. You get the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 85. So we can write 256 by 3 kilometer. It has 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So the quotient 85 is the whole number and the remainder as a numerator and the divisor is a denominator. So therefore we can say the distance covered by a truck using 10 2/3 liters of petrol, that is equals to what, Nana? 85 1 by 3 kilometer. Okay, na? So this is the required answer for this question. Now see one more question in this. The question is given: Raja walks. Just before question is number 5, this is number 6. Raja walks 1/2 meters in 1 second. Okay, now Raja walks 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he walk? How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Okay, so this is the given question. Now what is the data in this? Raja walks 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. Okay, the given data is Raja walks 1 by 2 meters in just 1 second. Okay, now how much distance, ఎంత distance travel చేస్తాడు, ఎంత distance, how much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? 15 minutes. So we can write the distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes, that is equals to 15 minutes into, but ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి in 1 second he covers 1 by 2 meters now. So that's why what I am taking here, by taking a small work, we know that 1 minute is equals to what, Nana? 1 minute is equals to, that is 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute is equals to what? That is 60 seconds. And 15 minutes is equals to what, Nana? 15 minutes is equals to, that is 15 into 1 minute means that is 60 seconds. Okay, that is 15 6 are 90, means 15 60s are 900. So that is 15 minutes is nothing but what, 900 seconds. Okay, na 15 minutes is nothing but what, na 900 seconds. So the distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes, that is nothing but 900 seconds. That is 900 into in 1 second. In 1 second, how much distance he is covering? 1 by 2 meters. That is 1 by 2 meters. Now 900 means 900 only into 1 by 2. It is a mixed fraction. I am multiplying the whole number, that is 1, with the denominator of a proper fraction. So that is 2 ones are 2. Then after add numerator, you get that is 3 by 2 meters. Now 2 ones are 2 450s are 2 ones are 2 450s are 900. Now we get 450 into 3 meter, that is equals to 450 into 3 meter means what, that is 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, that is 1350 meters. Okay, now how much distance he covered, Nana? The distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes, that is equals to 1350 meters. So we can write it as therefore 1 kilometer 350 meter also. Okay, now in 1350 meters ni ela rayachu, we can write it as 1 kilometer 350 meters, because of 1000 meter is equals to, that is 1 kilometer. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 7. Provide the number in the box. Question number 7 is given. Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. To make the statement true. So in that first question is given, that is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into given empty box, that is equals to 20 by 21. Okay students, 2 by 3 into empty box is equals to 20 by 21. So clearly in this place we have to provide a number రాయాలి, but we don't know the number now. That's why what I am taking here 2 by 3 into, in the place of box I am taking x. Okay now, that is equals to 20 by 21. 2 by 3 is transposing to RHS side. We get x is equals to 20 by 21. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 becomes that is 3 by 2. 2 by 3 into quantity is transposing to RHS side. Actually it becomes a division quantity, but by taking the reciprocals we get 2 by 3 కాస్త ఉల్టా అవుతుంది 3 by 2. Okay, by using 3 table, 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. So we get x is equals to 10 into 1, 10 1s are 10 by 7 into 1, 7 1s are 7. So in the place of x, ఈ x అంటే ఈ బాక్స్ ప్లేస్లో మనం ఏ నెంబర్ ప్రాపర్గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, దట్ ఈస్ 10 by 7. జస్ట్ ఫర్ ద వెరిఫికేషన్ 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 only, into ఈ బాక్స్ ప్లేస్లో we are going to provide a number that is 10 by 7. 2 10s are 20, 3 7s are 21. We get 20 by 21. Yes, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, now coming to the next question in this main only. The question is given, 7th means second question, 5 by 7 into box by 5 is equals to 3 by 1, 3 by box. Okay, so this is the question number 2. 5 by 7 into empty box given by 5 is equals to 3 by empty box. Clearly what I am taking in the place of empty box here, we don't know the number. ఇక్కడ numbers మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. So that's why 5 by 7 into, in the place of this box I am taking that is x by 5 is equals to, and here also 3 by, in the place of box I am taking y. Now 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 5 cancel, we get 1 into x by 7. Okay, or we can write like this, 1 by 7 into, here x by 1 means that is x only, here we can write it as 3 into, we can write it as 3 into 1 by y. Okay na, that is 3 1s are 3 by y, అంటే మళ్ళీ 3 by y ని వస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ హియర్, ఈ 1 by 7ని RHS సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఐఎమ్ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ 1 by y to LHS side. Then what happened, here x is there, the into quantity 1 by y, it is transposing to RHS side, it becomes a division quantity. By taking the reciprocal, that is x by, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 1 by y is equals to, here 3 is there, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి is 1 by 7 transposing to this side means it is also becomes into quantity. I mean into quantity becomes a division quantity, 1 by 7. Okay, now we can write it as x into 1 by y kasta, that is becomes y by x. Okay students, so 1 by 7 into x, that is we can write it as 1 into x by 7 is equals to 3 into 1 by 5. No need to write like this. Clearly x is equals to that is 3 and y is equals to that is 7. So in the place of therefore we get x is equals to what now? X is equals to that is 3 and y is equals to that is 7. So this is the required answer. Let us go for the verification. That is 5 by 7 into empty box by 5 is equals to that is 3 by empty box. In the place of empty box I taken x, in the place of empty box I taken y. What we get the values? The values are x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 7. 5 cancel, that is x means 3 and by 7, that is equals to 3, y means that is 7. 3 by 7 is equals to 3 by 7. LHS is equals to RHS. So like this you can verify it. Okay students, so in the same manner you to practice the remaining problems. Thank you.